everyone, welcome to yoga time. Oh, I love yoga and I'm loving that you guys are loving yoga. We see all of your comments and we're absolutely loving that you're taking care of your bodies and you're taking care of your minds as well, because yoga is not just about our body, it's about our brain. Our brains are growing and our body's getting stronger. And the most important thing we need to do with yoga is not just our body, but it's also our breath. So before we start our yoga pose today, we're going to do some deep breaths and we're going to use our arms. So we're going to take a deep breath in and reach our arms up, breathing in and then breathing out. Breathing in and out. One more all together with me, please. Breathing in and out. All right, my body's full of oxygen now. So I want to know, do you know what this yoga pose is? Listening carefully. They're part of a family. They're covered with fur. They're flexible, fast, and people love it when they purr. They can be quite skinny. They can also be fat. They love chasing mice, so you know, bonkers, what is it? Yes, you're right. It's a cat. So to start our cat pose, we're going to go on our hands and our knees. It's like we're a little table, big strong back here. So with our hands on the mat, I like to make sure my fingers are really spread out nice and wide so I can grip onto the mat and be nice and strong. So here, what we're going to do is we're going to push our back up to the sky like this. So we're going to take a deep breath in first, and then when we breathe out, we push our back up. It's like, you know, when you pat a cat and they stretch out a little bit and they push their back up, that's what we're trying to mimic with our body. So let's go together. We're going to take a deep breath in and push your back up, 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 up. Oh, beautiful. Now there's another pose that you can do with the cat pose. It's called the cow pose. Now, if you want to do a cow pose with your cat pose, we breathe in as we look up and we push our back down and tuck our tailbone under. So we're going to take a deep breath in as we look up, breathing in. And then when we breathe out, we're going to do our cat pose. So pushing your back up, 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 up. And let's go again, breathing in, looking up. And breathing out, looking down at your knees, tucking your head under. Let's do one more together. Breathing in and breathing out into our cat pose. Beautiful job, guys. Well done.